Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a TikTok account step by step. Super easy and quick. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. When it asks for permissions, just allow everything. It's totally safe. Now at the bottom of your screen, tap on the profile icon. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and tap on it. If you already have an account, you can log in using one of the three options shown. But if you're new, just look for the sign up icon at the bottom and tap on that. You'll now see a few sign-up options. I'm going to choose Use with Gmail. Next, enter your email address, then tap Continue. After that, create a strong password. You can see how I'm doing it on the screen. Once done, hit Continue again. Now select your date of birth, tap Continue one last time, and that's it. Your TikTok account is successfully created. You can check your new profile by tapping the profile icon. And you're all set to start scrolling, creating, and enjoying TikTok.